The Hyundai Santa Fe's infotainment system is a touchscreen-based hub that controls audio, navigation, and vehicle settings. It can sometimes encounter glitches requiring resets. A soft reboot addresses minor problems like a frozen screen. Simply hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. A hard reset is for connectivity issues such as Bluetooth or USB problems. Turn off the ignition, then hold the volume knob and power button simultaneously for 20 seconds before restarting. A factory reset is used as a last resort for severe problems like corrupted firmware. Access it via Settings, then General, then Factory Reset. Enter the vehicle's PIN and confirm. Before performing any reset, check for available software updates in Settings, then General, then Software Update. These updates often resolve issues without requiring a reset or data loss. Note that 2022 and newer Santa Fe models have improved stability with fewer bugs, while early 2019 to 2021 models are more prone to issues. Before performing a factory reset, back up important data such as saved destinations via the My Hyundai app. The reset erases all user data, customizations, and paired devices. Audio and navigation problems in the Hyundai Santa Fe often stem from outdated software or Bluetooth interference. These can cause glitches like distorted sound or inaccurate maps. For persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This restores the system to original settings and should only be used as a last resort since it erases user data. Hyundai's latest models from 2024 onwards support Smart Reset via the My Hyundai app. This allows remote reboots without physical access to the vehicle, making troubleshooting more convenient. Always keep your infotainment system updated through over-the-air updates. These patches fix bugs and improve stability, reducing the need for manual resets. User-installed apps can conflict with factory software and cause issues. Stick to officially supported apps to maintain system reliability. The trend is towards more resilient systems. Hyundai plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics for self-healing capabilities, automatically resolving issues. Hybrid systems combining physical buttons with touchscreens are also reducing touch-related failures. If problems persist, especially after a factory reset, consider contacting a Hyundai dealership for professional diagnostics. They can identify hardware issues or perform advanced repairs.